Scientists have discovered millions of animal species surviving on this planet, of which some are fierce, while others are cute, loving, and adorable. Out of these million species, we are only aware of a relatively small percentage. However, for those that we do know of, there are some very strange animals that are truly amazing. But what are these strange animals? Where to find them? And what makes them strange? Continue watching the video till the end to know more. Hey everyone, and welcome back to yet another video from our channel. We hope you guys are doing extremely well. In this video, we will be talking about the strangest animal that you will see for the first time. We will be diving deep into every aspect of this topic, so if you are new to this channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. Number 1. Glass frog species belonging to the family of Centrolenidae. These frogs are also known by the name see-through because of their translucent skin. There are 60 different species of glass frogs seen in southern Mexico, Central and South America. The preferred habitat of these species is the tropical rainforest, mainly in treetops. The Mandurriacu glass frog was recently honored in the Wildlife Photographer of the Year Awards 2020. These frogs' bodies are generally bright green or olive green in color, and their belly is covered with translucent skin. Depending on individual species, the size of a glass frog may vary. However, the smaller species are usually 0.78 inches long, while the larger ones can reach a length of 3 inches. You can spot these tree-dwelling frogs in Costa Rica or Panama. Number 2. The lyrebirds. The lyre is a tree-dwelling bird species that are native to Australia. There are 2 different species of lyrebirds, which are superb lyrebirds and Albert's lyrebirds. Both the species differ slightly from one another, but the majestic lyrebird exhibits short legs and striped tail feathers that curl outwards at the end. Their body is brown and gray with a reddish hue in the wings. The Albert's lyrebird lacks the long and elaborate tail like the superb lyrebird. This species has brown and gray plumage with a slightly blue shade on head and tail feathers. These impressive birds are known for their ability to mimic sounds, including chainsaws, car alarms, camera shutters, crying babies, ringtones, and sometimes even words. Visit the rainforest of Queensland and New South Wales to see the lyrebirds. Number 3. Mata mata. Mata mata is a South American turtle famous for its shell or carapace, which is black or brown. The turtle has a triangular and flattened head, and their bodies and long necks are rough and bumpy. You can find mata mata in South America, where they live in slow-moving black water streams, rivers, marshes, and swamps. They rarely live in shallow water and only come to land when they lay eggs. Number 4. Sugar gliders. The sugar glider is a small nocturnal possum that glides using skin between its legs as wings, much like a flying squirrel. These omnivores belonging to the marsupial infraclass get their common name from their taste for sugary foods, such as sap and nectar. Number 5. Red-lipped batfish. Also known as the weird-looking fish, the red-lipped batfish lives in the marine life of the Galapagos Islands. These fish are said to possess some similar features of a bat, so they are named batfish. Although these species' body color varies from light brown to gray, they can be easily identified with their distinctive red lips. A remarkable fact about red-lipped batfish is that they walk on ocean floors, as they are not good swimmers. You can find red-lipped batfish dwelling in the Pacific Ocean. Number 6. Pink fairy armadillo. The pink fairy armadillo is the smallest species of armadillo. It is the only armadillo who has a dorsal shell that is entirely separate from its body. The species is known for some of its unique features, such as the pink fairy armadillo pumps blood using its shell to regulate its body temperature. They are also known as sand swimmers because of their quick ability to navigate underground. Visit central Argentina, where you can find the pink fairy armadillo in the dry grasslands and sandy plains. Number 7. Markhor. Markhor is a wild goat found in the mountains of Central Asia from southern Russia to the west of Himalayas. However, you can find a significant population of these animals in Pakistan, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan. The males and the females look similar in appearance, both with spiral-shaped horns that can be flared or straight depending on the individuals. They have tan-colored coats and white underparts with rugged white fur on their chest and neck. Markhor goats prefer to live in altitudes. However, the heights of their ranges depend on the season. In summers, they live on higher altitudes, while in winters they live in lower altitudes. Number 8. Leafy sea dragon. The leafy sea dragon or weedy sea dragon is a close relative of seahorse. They are some of the most ornately camouflaged creatures, and are also cited as Sir David Attenborough's favorite species. The lobes of their skin provide them camouflage, which gives the appearance of seaweed. The leafy sea dragons can maintain a similar illusion while swimming. You can find this eye-catching creature along the southern and western coast of Australia. Number 9. Sea pen. A sea pen is a graceful creature of the seafloor, the beast named after an old-fashioned quill pen. Their colors range from dark orange, yellow, and white. Commonly, sea pens can grow to a height of 40 centimeters. The interesting fact about these sea creatures is that each sea pen is a colony of polyps that works together to survive the whole. And when stimulated, the sea pens glow with a bright greenish light. Check out the sea pens in the Pacific Ocean, where they thrive from the Gulf of Alaska to California. Number 10. Coatimundi. Coatimundis are related to both raccoons and kinkajous. There are 4 species of these animals. However, all the Coatis types have a slender head with a long, elongated nose, turned slightly upward. They have small ears, dark feet, and a long tail, which is used for balancing. The interesting fact about these species is that they are incredibly flexible and rotate up to 60 degrees in any direction. Find these strange animals in the Americas. With an enormous variety of animals, you can see above-wired animals in different regions. Next time you go on a vacation, try to visit locations where you can find some of the mesmerizing species of animals you have never seen before. Number 11. The aardwolves. Aardwolves are related neither to wolves or aardvarks. Rather, their name means earth wolf in Afrikaans, a reference to their voracious appetite for insects. Native to East and Southern Africa, aardwolves are most closely related to hyena. Having said that, you're more likely to find them tearing into a termite mound rather than a carcass abandoned by a lion. Aardwolves can eat up to 200,000 termites in a sitting, imbuing them with both protein and moisture, allowing them to live successfully in some of the driest corners on the planet. And lastly, number 12. The bilby. The bilby is a rare desert-dwelling marsupial from Australia, renowned for its long tail, silky fur, and big ears. Also known as the rabbit bandicoot, the bilby has become a symbol of Easter in Australia, replacing the Easter bunny, with proceeds from the sales of chocolate Easter bilbies used to ensure the species' survival. With their strong forelimbs and well-developed claws, bilbies are fearsome burrowers. In fact, a female bilby's pouch faces backwards to prevent it getting filled with dirt while she's digging. And that's all for today. Did we miss out on anything? Do you have any other large cows worth adding on to our list? Did you enjoy watching the video? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments section below. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Please like the video if you have not already, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update from our channel. With that being said, let's meet in another one of these videos. Until then, see ya!